remember reading Harry Potter, reading that entire series was so good. And remember the part where he's in that room under the stairs? Kind of creepy, of course, that they put poor Harry, in a room under the staircase. But kind of cool also. Check out what this guy did with his under the stair storage space. Incredible, right? Well, today, I thought I would show you 5 magical under the stairs rooms. Hopefully, it'll entertain you a little bit, maybe spark your imagination. If you've got some stairs in your home, the chances are you've got one of these like little under the stairs nooks. It's kind of odd shaped. It's probably full of random junk. You threw your Christmas decorations in there, old clothes, whatever. Well, I'm going to blow your mind today with some transformations that might change the way you think about that under the stairs storage space in your home. Or even if you just have some weird little funky unused corner, this might get you thinking about some ways that you can do some cool things. Let's talk about why we have these spaces to begin with. Builders, they build a house, they put in a staircase, and then they have this awkward space and they think, okay, let's just frame it out. Let's slap a door on it and make it a storage closet. Everybody loves storage, more storage. So we get these little hideaways. They're usually angled because the stairs are right above it. Sometimes they're tiny and sometimes they're really roomy and you walk in and you just keep going and going. Maybe they got a really low ceiling that only little humans could fully appreciate. Whatever yours is like, it can be a blank canvas for something seriously cool. I know you probably just use that closet to store things in, maybe throw in your golf clubs or your tennis rackets and close the door, call it a day, you never see it again. But what if you could transform it from something more than just basic to actually like this cool spot that you could spend time in and show to your friends and brag about? I love these houses that have like secret passageways or hidden doors in the library and you have to pull a book and the door will open. Speakeasy kind of vibes. So let's check out the magical rooms that I found for you. First up is my personal fave, Joey, who made that really cool office pod that I gave you a little teaser of in the beginning. He has a YouTube channel. It's called ManMade, and I'm linking it below for you. You need to check it out. He created this epic home office pod. It is the sleekest under the stairs space you've ever seen. It took him, he said, 50 days, not full days, but 50 days. Still, dedication, man. The final result, it's so polished. The dude has major designer skills. You want to try to recreate the same thing Joey did in your home, or even if you don't, watch the full video. He breaks it all down for you and you can try to do it yourself. All right, I realize not many of us are quite as DIY savvy as Joey. I know I'm not. That's okay. There are plenty of simple ways you can take that space and create a workspace for you for like a home office or for a kids area to homework zone. Here are some simple designs. All you really need is just a desk, some floating shelves, and a cute chair. And boom, you've got an instant productivity zone. Okay, so Joey did a lot with his small space, but what if you have like a really tiny space? This girl, Katie in Canada, turned her under the stairs nook, it was pretty small, into a toddler boy cave for her son, Logan. Well, her husband did all the work. You can read a breakdown on her blog, which I'm linking below for you so that if you want to try to recreate it, you can. But if you do have a little more space, there are a lot of fun playroom ideas that will make your littles happy and your Instagram followers jealous. My sister has created in their nook under the stairs this great little reading room for her kiddos with toys and everything, and enough for a big person to go ahead and go in and play a little bit as well. So that's tons of fun. Okay, if you're more about peace and quiet, which is the stage I'm at in my life, maybe you would want a cozy reading nook. That would be your vibe. That's totally my vibe. So picture a plush cushion, some fairy lights, stack of books, your favorite drink. Here are a few of the coziest reading spots that I found, and they're perfect for when you want to curl up with your latest read, grab a glass of wine or a cup of tea, and just settle in. This is exactly what I would do with this space if I had a 2-story home, which I don't. Okay. For those among us who enjoy an adult beverage every now and then, and who doesn't, there are some stylish and unique ideas for this space. You can really transform it. Wow, did I find a gorgeous wine cellar created by Vintage Cellars in San Marcos, California. See, you're getting all of these great ideas with videos. I'll link the full video for you below. Again, look at this, the lighting, the door. It's more than a wine cellar. It's a total mood. Now, I like my wine, but I am a whiskey fan. And this totally got me thinking about a whiskey cabinet closet, whiskey closet. You know what I'm talking about. So, take your favorite adult beverage, whatever it might be. It doesn't even have to be an adult beverage, but take your beverage, showcase it in this space. It could turn out really cool and definitely be a conversation starter. And maybe you're thinking, I just need my storage space for storage. I don't have enough storage space. Well, that's fair enough. But storage space doesn't have to be boring. Why not level up with some ideas for like extra pantry space or for storing or displaying your collections or your gear? Here are a few images to give you some ideas. They're practical but stylish and better than just shoving everything into a Rubbermaid bin and closing the door. These ideas show us that this under the stair storage space, I know it's really hard to say. Try it. Under the stair storage space, under the stair storage space. Well, I did pretty good. Anyway, these are some great ideas for under the stair storage space. It doesn't have to be wasted space. It can actually be something remarkable. I really love old homes that have like odd spaces, odd closets, odd nooks. They're just full of possibilities. You can use it for productivity, for crafting, or for an office, or you can escape into your cozy reading nook with all your books, or transform it into a playroom where you can bond with your littles, or the perfect spot for that mini wine cellar or cocktail bar that you can drink your way out of. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite. And if you could just wave a magic wand, dream it up, what would you use your under the stair storage space for? Or if you created something I haven't even talked about, let me know as well. I'd love to hear about it. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. Give it a thumbs up. I would love to connect with you. Thanks for watching.